toaster, microwave, dishwasher, mini fridge, coffee maker, paper towels, little sink, all within arm's reach of the bed. So today we are heading to the Hilton Grand Vacations Elara. Right now we're at the Flamingo. I stayed here last night. I wanted to do a video here, but I didn't get into the room until 7 p.m. Check-in was a total nightmare at the Flamingo. So anyway, long story short, I did a quick walkthrough with my phone. It's on the Patreon, linked below if you want to check that out. If you have to sign up though, so sorry about that if you don't want to sign up. But anyway, this room is great, but Flamingo, all right, let's go to Hilton. Come on. So the Hilton is inside the Miracle Mile shops. I just parked at their parking garage. Now I gotta find it somewhere in this madness. So pretty much once you walk into Miracle Miles from the parking garage entrance, you just go left and it's right down there. So super easy to find. It smells so good in here. 1732. Pretty quiet down there, very nice and peaceful though. It smells really good in here too. All right, we're almost there. I thought it was this one. I just got the standard room though. All right, let's go inside. Dear valued don't. Wait, hang on. Dear valued owners and guests. Owners and guests. Not owners and guests. As a part of our ongoing commitment to the safety and security of our owners and guests, our resort has scheduled maintenance upgrades to our guest rooms beginning Monday, March 29th from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. through May 1st, 2021. During this time, our team may need to enter your room to complete the maintenance upgrade. And if you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact guest services by texting 702. Oh, I think they meant texting. So today I booked a standard room at the Hilton Grand Vacations Elara, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's technically off the strip, but it's basically on the strip. It's right next to the Signature at MGM and Polo Towers and a few others. Yeah. Let's show you the room. Come on. Okay, so over the summer, I stayed at another Hilton Grand Vacations property on the strip. It was more up north. And when I was staying there, I noticed they had a DVD player there, and you could go into the lobby area and rent DVDs for free to play in the rooms. And I had never seen DVD players in any of the rooms I've been staying at on the strip until that one. But they also have it at this Hilton. So I guess Hilton Grand Vacations, they really love their DVD, their throwbacks, you know? It's kind of endearing in a way though, I don't know. I kind of like it. Nostalgic, you know? Okay, so this is pretty interesting. A good 2 feet from the bed is the kitchen area, which is interesting. What's it? Oh, we got a single Pyrex. Okay, interesting. All right. Swoop. Okay, I think it was about 2 weeks ago now. It's been a little while. I was invited to a local business in Vegas at a place called Town Square, which is just past the Las Vegas Boulevard signs south of the strip. And it's basically like a giant outdoor mall area with shops, restaurants, all sorts of things. And there's this business there called Selfie World Las Vegas. Now I filmed a decent amount while I was there, but I didn't feel as though I filmed enough to do a vlog. like a full-on vlog. So I'm going to include it right here in this video. Basically, it's a business where there's different photo booths with really cool backdrops and creative lighting, and it's a lot of fun. And I was invited by the team for their grand opening, and I just wanted to show this footage because it's a really neat place. And if you're trying to get some cool Instagram pics, it's probably worth it to go check it out. Yeah, so here's some footage of that. I found it. So I'm in a place called Selfie World now, officially. There's some people back here dancing. The original store is in Iowa, I believe, and they have some other locations as well, but pretty cool. So they also have some changing rooms back here because when you come here, you're gonna wanna get different pictures, different outfits, you know, things like that. So they have that. The woman at check-in was telling me that the pool is not open, the Starbucks downstairs is not open. Basically nothing amenity-wise is open besides the gym. But luckily the Hilton Grand Vacations Elara is connected to the Miracle Miles shop. Planet Hollywood is connected to as well. So when you stay here, this is just a hotel and no casino, but you can walk through the Miracle Mile shop and get to the Planet Hollywood casino. Yeah, this place is also one of those places where people rent and actually live here as well. They have timeshares here and things like that. It kind of reminds me of the Signature at MGM. Basically what the Signature at MGM is to the MGM, Hilton Grand Vacations Elara is to Planet Hollywood in a lot of ways. They're technically two different, I think they're owned by two different companies because Planet Hollywood is a Caesars property. But you get what I'm saying. You get it. Oh, also, how was that Selfie World footage? It was cool, right? Gotta find some lunch. Gotta find some lunch. See, those are little DVD rentals, little kiosks to get DVDs for the room, the DVD player in the room. That's, I kind of like that. It's kind of nice. Very nostalgic. Gosh. Zoom out. Sometimes Chick-fil-A just hits the spot. There's a Chick-fil-A right outside on the strip. Like once you exit the doors of the Miracle Mile shops, it's right there. All right, so it's time for me to do some live streaming on the strip. I'll see you guys in a few hours, okay? Oh, this bed is so comfortable. These pillows. Slept in a bit late. I didn't get a good sleep 2 nights ago, so it's like noon right now. Luckily, they were able to extend my checkout for free. Checkout normally is 10 a.m. here, I thought it was 11, but it was 10, so I was super late, but they were nice enough to help me out. But it's noon, I'm leaving, and I'm heading to the M Resort. But before I do, let's show you guys a few more things about Elara. So they have a little business center there with a couple computers and printers, and then they had a laundry section with like 6 laundries and dryers, and here's the fitness center. Thankfully, no one's in the gym, so I don't feel weird filming while people are working out and stuff, so. Nice gym though, nice gym. There's one more floor I haven't shown you guys yet, I think. Floor 3, Vacation Experience Reception. I don't know what's up there. We're about to find out. Oh, now we're here. So you can take the elevator up to the 3rd floor or take the escalators up to the 3rd floor. This is the floor right above where the lobby is. And I think this is just where you kind of get information on potentially renting a place here or one of their other locations in different cities and stuff. Yeah, I think Hilton, you could either rent to live here or do timeshares in addition to just doing hotel stays like I did. The Hilton brand's a little bit more unique than a lot of the other properties on the Strip and elsewhere, so. But yeah, behind me right here is another reception area for more information on those types of rentals and properties and things like that, so. Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs. I gotta head to the M Resort now. So this is the lobby. The pool is right outside the lobby. There's a bar there. Behind me is the convenience store as well. Very conveniently located, this place. Connected to Miracle Mile shops too, so there's all sorts of everything you can imagine. All right, M Resort. It's in Henderson, so it's a little bit off the Strip, of course, but that's where the next vlog's at. And I'm in the M Resort. Took a while to check in, to be honest with you guys, but anyway, that's beside the point. This will wrap it up for the vlog on Hilton Grand Vacations Elara. As a summary, I would like to just say that I really enjoyed staying there. It reminds me of places like Vdara, places like the Signature at MGM, places without casinos that are just quiet and really nice, and they kind of give you that homey feeling. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. If you would leave a like before you go, I'd really appreciate that. And the next video will be about this place I'm at right now, the M Resort in Henderson, which is off the Strip. Signing off. Peace out, guys. Have a good day. Thank you.